and welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing the second part of the free model unboxing. Today we'll unbox the Emirates 1 to 500 scale Airbus A380 in the Real Madrid delivery. So I want more Herpa 1 to 500 because I only have one for now and they are great. If you collect 1 to 500, I would recommend you get this model. So as always, first I'll unbox it and the box out the model. It's quite giant and heavy, although it's 1 to 500. There we go. Oh. Well, the big whale has come. I'm just checking if all the wheels roll. Yep, they do. Okay. I'll put it off to the side for now. The boxes are dirty. Wow. Okay. So I waited for this 1 week because it was a special order on the model. So on the top there it says Airbus A380-800 scale 1 to 500, Emirates logo there in the top, www.emirates.store, Airbus A380 Real Madrid officially licensed product, and on the back there we also have the specifications, so if you want to read that, pause it, and there we go. And yeah, let's get into the model now. So the next video, as I said on Monday, it's coming out. We'll unbox yet even bigger airplane than this. Okay, the light is like, it might be good if I move it a little bit so that it's not like no light on it. Okay, this will be good. Okay, so first we have the cockpit window. Oh no, I'll zoom it in. Okay, so first we have the cockpit windows, then the nose, then Airbus A380-800, front landing gear, the first boarding door, Real Madrid logo there, www.emirates.com there, Emirates titles, the livery is a little coming off here on the M, but that's okay. We have the second door there. I don't know what that is. I think this is the emergency door. And also on the top deck there, another emergency exit door, I think. That is on the engine. Emirates logos we've got. And then we have the something in Arabic. I might say Emirates. On the winglet we have the Emirates logo as well. And then we have the Real Madrid players. I will try to name them. So the left one we've got, I think that's Marcelo. Here we have Ramos. Then Cristiano Ronaldo, Luka Modric, I think. Karim Benzema and Gareth Bale, also the Wi-Fi box above that, and the top deck door, and also the back door. Registration on this is Alpha 6 Echo Uniform Golf, and then the UAE flag on the tail. This is massive, right? So then we have the same on the side. We just have the cargo hold there and cargo hold there. Let me show you the landing gear. Everything seems fine. It features a hole for the stand. One sec, guys. Let me just get my let me just get my 737 1 to 400 to compare it with how big this model is. door of the, yeah, the door of the 737. Okay, so that's my 737. Look at that, it's like half of the size. Literally, it could sit on the top of it easily. So although it's 1 to 500, it's big. Let me try to put it on the stand. So I did want this because I try to collect mainly special liveries, and this isn't the special Real Madrid livery. The wheels seem a bit small. Okay, the stand is not coming in for some reason. Detail is brilliant on this model. The engines especially. So this is the largest passenger airplane in the world. I think this is my first, no, it's not my first A380. It is my first Emirates. No, it's not. It is my second Emirates A380, but first in the special livery. There is also the Wildlife available and the Expo one. So the other model that's on the way, it is as well Emirates, but it's not an A380. Oops, I think I've put that. 1 second, guys, because I figured out how to put put it on the stand. Figured that out. Ooh. Look at that. Whoa, this will break the stand. Oh my man. See that, guys? How big this is. Like, look at that. It's barely on the stand. Yeah, exactly. The stand will break under this. So a big thank you to Herpa Model Store for this model, and also for my United 737. My NG, if you didn't see that video, make sure to check it out. And I see you back on Monday for to unbox the third airplane. Bye bye.